Hey guys, welcome again in Techno Waves. If you're looking for a budget-friendly USB speakers for your PC or laptop, so you are in the right place. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Artis S21 2.0 USB multimedia speakers. On the box, according to these key features, it has enhanced low frequency effect and stylish design. On the back side, it has some specifications. Output power is 2.5 watts and it has a speakers unit 5 mm. So yeah, so let's unbox. In the box we got these speakers and some user manual. About its design and build quality, this Artis S21 speakers come with a compact, lightweight design and the build is mostly of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. You got a matte finish on the body with a glossy front. The speakers have a slight tilt which helps in the better sound projection. About its specification and features, it comes with USB powered and a 3.5 mm of audio jack, and here is a controller with the line for increasing or decreasing of your volume. Now let's connect and test the sound performance. For connectivity, insert this USB and this audio jack. You can see here it has RGB LED glow lights. Now let's play some music.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no.
So guys, for its size and price, the sound quality is surprisingly very excellent. The highs and mids are very clear, so it is very compact and very portable speakers. Easy to plug and play setup, decent sound clarity for the price. But some drawbacks, it has not suitable for bass lovers and no Bluetooth support. So that's all. That's our quick review of the Artis S21 USB multimedia speakers. If you're looking for these affordable speakers for basic use, this is a great option under budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Techno Waves and tap that bell icon for more tech content. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.